Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Gon Lo Mein. Here are the following ingredients. The most important part of this dish are the noodles. You can find most of the noodles at the Asian market, sometimes in the frozen aisle. I love using the fresh or frozen noodles. Be sure to follow the instructions on the packet so you don't end up with soggy or sticky noodles. First, boil a pot of water, then add in your noodles. I'll be using frozen noodles. Let it cook in the water for 1 minute. Drain it and rinse it with cold water to prevent the noodles from cooking anymore. It is important to not overcook the noodles or it will become too soft to stir fry. Combine the sauce with the oyster sauce, shoyu, and sugar. Mix to combine everything. Set aside. In a wok, combine a half tablespoon of vegetable oil and sesame oil. Heat the wok over high heat, then add in each vegetable and stir fry it for about a minute. Onions, celery, carrots, bean sprouts, and char. After all of the veggies are tender, remove it all from the wok and set aside. With the same wok, add in the rest of the oils, vegetable and sesame oil. Then add in the cooked noodles and stir fry it. Add in the sauce and mix it to coat all of the noodles. Lastly, add in the veggies and meat. Stir fry it a little bit more to coat everything with the sauce and noodles. Remove from the heat and serve it hot. Enjoy this onalicious Gon Lo Mein.